How to get an abandoned vehicle title in Tennessee, step-by-step guide. In Tennessee, a private individual cannot directly apply for the title of an abandoned vehicle found on their property. Instead, you must contact local law enforcement or a commercial towing company to have the vehicle removed. The law enforcement agency or towing company is the entity that then initiates the legal process to obtain a title through a lien sale. Process for the property owner. Do not attempt to claim the vehicle yourself. Tennessee law does not allow private individuals to go through the procedure for abandoned vehicles. You must involve official channels. Contact law enforcement or a licensed towing company. Request that they take the abandoned vehicle into custody. The owner of the vehicle is responsible for the tow bill and storage fees, not you. The official process takes over. Once the vehicle is in custody, the towing company or sheriff's office will verify ownership information through the Tennessee Department of Revenue. Notify the registered owner and any lienholders by mail. If the owner does not reclaim the vehicle within the specified time frame, usually after at least 60 days of storage, the entity in possession of the vehicle can place an ad in a local newspaper and sell it at a public auction. How a purchaser at auction gets the title. If you are interested in obtaining the vehicle, you would need to purchase it at a public auction held by the police department or towing company. The purchaser at the auction receives a sales receipt, which is then used to apply for a new certificate of title from the local county clerk's office. To process the title, you will need to schedule an appointment with your local county clerk. Required documentation typically includes the sales receipt from the auction, a certification of sales under special conditions form, and an itemized statement of the towing, storage fees.